Okay, this is about charging system. This is your regulator right here in the front here. It's got a lead coming out of the case here, out of the primary stator. It's got two-prong pen connector up under here. It goes to the regulator, and then you got another lead going off the regulator back to a circuit breaker. These things require a good ground. The regulator does, regulator rectifier. The way it regulates voltage is it shunts it to ground. So if it doesn't have a good ground, it'll start overcharging and eventually burn out the regulator. If you've had a bike, even from stock, I've had them where the grounds suck, where they powder coated the frame and the bolt doesn't make good contact with the regulator. You got two bolts holding on, one there and one up there. They don't make a good ground, so if you're ever taking one off, it's a good idea to scrape some of the, or grind some of the powder coating off so it makes a better contact with the frame there. The other option I usually do on these is I'll run a separate ground wire with star washers off one of the mounting bolts, and I'll run it back to the battery ground. So just a long piece of black wire with an eyelet on this end and an eyelet on the other end, and run it directly to the battery. That way you know you're getting direct battery ground. This isn't Harley specific. This goes with any motorcycle or anything with a regulator rectifier on it, really. So if this bike was charging right at 14.7 when you rev it up, 14.7 volts DC, which is great. It was doing 14.1 at idle. You couldn't ask for anything better than that. But if you ever get one where you check it and your battery voltage while it's running or revving it up is over, say 14.7, 14.8, you should probably check that ground. Some of these later model ones, if it has a tach, you'll be going down the road and the tach will start going to like half of whatever RPM you're running, and your little engine light will come on, which is it's overcharging. It's overcharging. So probably bad ground, or even it's already fried the voltage regulator. That's about it. As far as your prongs coming out for your stator, you've got two pins coming out, and they're up under the, or actually those sportsters come out the back here. Next to the starter, there's a little plug going in the back behind the rear cylinder into the back of the case here, and it just runs down and up under here somewhere. It's a little round plug. To check it, you're just gonna unplug it and stick your meter on there. It sets AC volts, and you should be doing about 19 to 20 volts AC at idle, and about every 19 to 20 volts every 1,000 RPM, up to about 3,000. If you're going to check it for grounds, you just stick one lead on one of the pins for the wiring for the stator, and one to ground. And if it's got a ground, it's no good. If it's grounded, stator's grounded out somewhere. It could be internally, it could be a wire pinch somewhere running from the back of the stator here down to here. A lot of times what happens, these plugs will get loose, and you'll pull them apart and look at the plugs and they'll be burnt. That's from just a bad contact. I think you could still get replacement ends aftermarket. You can't get them from Harley, but you just replace the ends of it. And when you're mounting the regulator, you want to mount it someplace where it's going to get good heat dissipation. So right in front of this tire is okay. On some bikes, it's not a good idea to hide them somewhere where you can't see them. It's somewhere that needs good air around it, because these things put off a lot of heat when it's shunting stuff to the ground. You stick them after they've been running for a while, they'll get pretty damn hot. On some of your import bikes, they'll mount it to a big plate of aluminum and use that as a heat sink to draw some of the heat out of the regulator. These are just directly mounted to the frame. Some of the metric bikes don't have fins on them. They're just straight up box. So the more air you can get to them, the better. That's about it, really. Good ground, good connections. It's a good idea to where the pin comes up for the regulator to the stator is pack it full of dielectric grease and zip tie it together. Make sure it ain't going to come loose. And really, that's about it. This is the 883. Getting ready to get rid of this thing and fund some other projects. It was a good little bike. Didn't ride it much, but he had fun on it when he was riding it. Good starter bike. We got the 1200 over there that's all apart. You know that one. And I had already pulled the top end apart on this thing, and we decided we wanted to go to Myrtle Beach. So I bought that BMW over there, and this thing here for him to ride. And we rode to Myrtle Beach. And I got to get that BMW ready to get out of here too. It's taking up too much room, and I don't ride it. Can't really ride it anymore. Eyes are screwed up, and supposed to be having cataract surgery May 1st, and a laser next week on the right eye. But we'll get rid of this thing, fund some other projects, and put some money back in the bank there. And that's it. If you guys like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. Appreciate it. New subscribers, appreciate you. Old subscribers, appreciate it. Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care.